Well, waiting for other deliveries to come in for a couple projects that I'm in the process of doing, waiting for stuff to come in so I can do the videos on that. So in the meantime, I thought I'd do a little video on kind of a recap on some Panini Prizm football that I opened up this morning, but on the way home from work last night. Got to give a shout out to Packer87. I've seen he's been breaking some of these, and looks like a really good product. So I gave it a try, and it was actually a bit of fun doing. So I did a blaster box, and then the Target exclusive box there. Blaster box, you can either get a autograph or memorabilia card. In the other box, you get one auto and one memorabilia card. So again, I've already opened these, so I'll do a little recap for you. So blaster box first, pretty neat. Got three disco parallels, one of Larry Fitzgerald. So again, looks it's pretty neat card, and I believe future Hall of Famer. Also in that blaster box, got a disco of Brandon Cooks. And a disco of O.J. Howard. Also in that box, pretty cool, did get an Alvin Kamara, Instant Impact. And then in the blaster box, it was a memorabilia card. They received Carlos Henderson. Okay, now for the hits that I got in the other box. These have the pink parallel prisms. So one from the Bills, got Jordan Matthews. It's pretty cool. I am a Bills fan, so pretty nice card to have. Also got Ryan Tannehill. And then McKinney, rookie from the Falcons. Then in this box, also got Instant Impact. This one, Deshaun Watson. Memorabilia card, pretty cool. Got Mitchell Trubisky. And then the auto, got Corey Davis from Tennessee. So again, I thought that was a pretty good box. I think good signatures, and pretty nice to get both Corey Davis and Mitchell Trubisky all in the same box. So again, it was a lot of fun doing. So what I ended up doing this morning, ran out to the store. Actually, picked up another box open, so we'll see what we get in there. And then also they had one kind of rack pack hanging there, so I went ahead and got that. So what I'll do is let's see what we get in these boxes. I'll go ahead and open these up on camera. I'll do the rack pack first here. So in here you get 4 cards, and then this bonus pack. So we'll save that bonus pack for last. Yep, so first one, base card, Philip Dorsett. Devontae Adams from the Packers. Well, this one's pretty cool. Green parallel, Joey Bosa. And then Taylor Gabriel from the Falcons. All right, see what we get in the second pack here. All right, first one, Jonathan Stewart. Tevin Coleman. Devontae Foreman, and Melvin Gordon. And the third pack. So we got Julius Thomas, Greg Olson. This one's pretty cool. So Hall of Fame, class of 2011, Marshall Faulk. And Darius Hayward-Bay from the Steelers. And for the bonus pack, yeah, so these will get 3 red, white, and blue. So the first one, Kirk Cousins, Amari Cooper, and rookie card, D'Angelo Yancey. So again, this one looks like it's a little bit damaged, imperfection in the card, but overall, I think the red, white, and blue cards, they look pretty sharp. So again, though, but pretty cool, Marshall Faulk. And then the green parallel from Joey Bosa in that pack. All right, so let's see what we get in here. So again, get a pink Prizm autograph, and then 1 pink Prizm memorabilia card. There's other, should be other pink Prizms in there as well. So let's see what we get in this. All right, so we got 5 packs here. So we get in the first one. All right, first one, Ty Montgomery. Base of Nathan Peterman. So again, a Bills fan, so that's pretty cool. Not sure if he's going to pan out ever, but again, pretty cool to get a Bills in here. Then rookie Chad Henson for the Jets for the pink parallel. And then Charlie Sims from the Buccaneers. Okay, pack number 2. All right, first one, Robbie Anderson. Rookie introduction, Cooper Coop. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty sharp looking card. Pink, first pink parallel is Terrence Williams. Or I'm sorry, second pink parallel, Terrence Williams. And base of Ryan Tannehill. All right, third pack. All right, so we got the base of Brandon Cooks, Jonathan Allen, and this looks like the auto of the card. So pink parallel, Ryan Switzer of the Cowboys. It's not on card. These are stickers. But it is a nice looking card. And then Mark Barron from the Rams. All right, fourth pack. This one feels like this has the memorabilia card in here. But first we got the base of Fitzgerald. Rookie of Juju. And the memorabilia. Curtis Samuel. But again, I like to look at the cards. They are pretty cool. And the Murray Cooper. Okay, first one base, C.J. Mosley. Marcus Maye. And last pink parallel, Cody Kessler from the Browns. And last card, Demaryius Thomas from the Broncos. Yeah, so again, pretty cool. I think these are a lot of fun to open. So again, kind of quick recap, got Cody Kessler from the Browns. Pink parallel, Terrence Williams from the Cowboys. Pink parallel, rookie Chad Henson from the Jets. It's pretty neat rookie introduction, Cooper Kupp. The memorabilia, Curtis Samuel. And the auto, Ryan Switzer of the Cowboys. All right, that's it for today. Again, kind of wanted to share what I got in the Panini Prizm. Again, pretty neat. Get these at Target. So they are, like I said, pretty fun to open. If you ever want to give it a try, then again, shout out to Packer87, where I was watching him open these up, and it looked like it was a lot of fun. He was getting some nice cards in there. So that's it for today. Again, waiting for a couple deliveries on a couple projects I'm working on, and then I'll work on those videos and get them posted. All right, happy collecting.